What's going on, guys? National Master James Canty III here, and today we're looking at a 20-move crush in the C3 Sicil for the kill. C3 Sicilian. Let's get right into it. We played an FM, FIDE Master, very strong. Here out of United Kingdom, let's get right into it. We play E4, he plays C5, C3 Sicil for the kill. Very simple. C3, and then when he plays G6 in the accelerated dragon version, which is actually what we play here at the channel, or something we like to play. But I know a way, something new, something that's not played as much actually. So I play it this way. I play D4, of course, C takes, and after D5 you would usually see E5 or pawn takes, which are main moves, but you also have knight C3, where black has to be extremely careful here. Now after this D takes E4 move, bishop C4, which is a pawn sacrifice now, temporarily sacrificing the pawn. Knight to C6 is a move here, which actually is one of the best moves, to be honest, but you got to tread lightly and you have to know what you're doing. D4 is now hanging. After knight c6, we play the same move, queen b3, hidden f7. This is our intention here. So if you play e6, I'm going to play d5. This is how it usually works. d5, captures, and it's kind of annoying. Like, it gets kind of scary in these lines if you're not knowing what you're doing. But he went for something else. After queen b3, I played e6, or he played e6, I played d5, and here we go. He played knight a5. So here on knight a5, this move is hitting the bishop. It's also hitting the queen at the same time. So I need a move. Do I play bishop b5 check? Do I play queen a4 check? Because I got to do something, because I'm going to lose the bishop, and I also can't take. So here we go. Honestly, both moves work. I play queen a4 check, though. Doesn't really matter. Forcing bishop d7, because if queen takes, that's not a move. Queen takes a5, start a new game. That's a piece. So bishop d7. Now there's another line that I'm going to show you guys real quick. Let's actually look at it. I'm going to show you guys this line real quick. Knight f6, e5, knight d5, knight f3, d6, d4, snap, knight c6, knight c3, snap, takes, d5, knight a5. So knight on a5, when this happens in this line, by the way, this is in my course as well, it's still discounted, guys. We probably just going to keep it at $20 still, because we discounted it and like never put the price back up. You can check the link right under the video. You guys can get you the course, right? This is a whole course on the C3 Sicilian. But here, right here, black's already lost. Bishop b5 check. You can't block here, so bishop d7. Then queen a4. So now the intention is, if you capture, you can't block once again. So blocking here, I take the knight. So what happens is he has to play b6, which allows knight takes e5, and we live. Game over. Start a new one. Very simple here. Knight takes e5, because if bishop takes, well, then that's mate, and we great. And then if you do anything else, which is e6, I've seen a lot. I think bishop takes here, and then after that, I think I played bishop g5 before, because after bishop g5, f6, queen a3, mate. Like, whoo, oh my goodness, this is a family channel. Now let's go back. Let's go back and see what happens. So that's one line, right? That's that line. Now, he didn't play it that way. He actually went this. So when we get back to the main move, queen b3, e6, he plays knight a5. So the same concept will work here, except I can't play knight e5 because I don't even have the knight out. So queen a4 check, bishop d7. I play bishop b5 because, again, if he takes it, I'm getting some material, or he just has to move his king, which just looks gross. That's absolutely gross. So queen takes b5 will be a thing, but he didn't play that. He thought for a while here. Actually, he thought for a while, and I think b6 was the best move. And if b6 happens, let's turn it on. So it's actually, oh wow, b6 was like not a move. So what happens on b6? I knew this was coming. I was going to take here anyway. This was my intention, and then I was going to take on e4. So let's see what happens after this. So you just take on e4. Queen d4 is even better, apparently. Wow, queen d4 is stronger. Luckily, we're looking at this together. I would have actually taken here, but queen d4 is much stronger, hitting the rook. If knight f6, we have, oh, you just win in a piece. Dang, look at that. If queen takes, we take on f6. If knight takes, we take on h8. So this was just lost already. He was already in a lot of trouble here. And this is something that you guys can start using today. Make sure you check out the C3 Sicilian playlist as well. Now, after bishop b5, he played knight f6 here. After knight f6, guys, what would you play in this position? Okay, what are you going to play? What are you going to play right here? Well, actually, I just made it. It's already there now. Bishop g5. That was the move here. After knight f6, guys, we played bishop g5. Immediately attacking the knight. The knight is hanging in a way, and the bishop is tied to it. The knight is hoping, like, there's so many pieces hanging. So what did he play? He played bishop e7. Now, what do? We can take here, but then he's going to take with the knight. And it looks like everything's cool, but then we hit this man with bishop takes a f6. Let's go. That's a move, big fella. Takes here, and then we slice him on the left one more time, big fella. Bishop takes d7. That's a move. Get the man off the board because he has to take here. And here he actually pre-moved because he was like mad. So he was like losing, so he started making fast moves. Queen takes d7, and then we queen takes a5, and we live. Very, very nice. E takes d5 is afterwards. Now here I thought for a minute, I'm like, do I go rook d1? Do I take with the queen? Of course, queen takes blunders. Oh my goodness. Get that off the screen. Wow, you just dropped your queen. Start a new one, bro. So I took on d5. The intention is knight c7. I'm also hitting f6. So he plays bishop e5 to defend it. And now, guys, what move are you going to make here? What move you going to make here? White to move, big fella. What you plan? Here it go. Knight b6, and we in the mix. Very nice here, okay? If he takes queen takes a8, yikes. Start a new one. But actually, I found a better move. When you find a good move, look for a better one. So after takes, instead of taking the rook, I actually take the bishop instead. Bam! Ouch! That hurts. My goodness, that's not a move. Give me everything. Everything must go sale. Queen e7. We're going to get that off the back rank. King d7. I could just take this, but I didn't like this annoying check. So what did I do? Castle queen side first. Oh my goodness. This is getting nasty. King e6, and then I took the rook. He hit me with a check, and I played king b1, and I flexed real hard. And actually, I didn't play king b1. Before I could play king b1, he resigned. So the game was over here already. From the jump, 20 moves, game's already over, 20 moves, C3 Sicil for the kill, guys, okay? FM, very strong FM, 25-52, big boy rating, right? I'm telling you, you know, the C3 Sicil is real, okay? That C3 Sicilian, guys. Check out the playlist. Grab the course right under the video in the description. And you guys can check this out. Quick video. Wanted to show you guys this today, especially for all my C3 Sicil for the kill players. This is awesome. Once again, from the top here. I love doing this pawn sacrifice here against the G6 lines because people don't know it. I know what to do, but most people don't. And even knowing what to do, if I face this, is still hard sometimes. So check. Okay, bishop g5 once again, bishop g5, and we live. Get the man off the board, and I mean 20 moves in and out, very easy. We up a piece, we a beast. It's very simple here, right? GG, start a new one. Okay, so make sure you watch this video many times, guys. Of course, like, subscribe, share the video, put comments under it. Check out the playlist right above me, the C3 Sicil for the kill, and I'll see you guys on the next video.